Good morning, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Andrea from Wig Studio One, for sending me this piece to review. She also provides a support group through Facebook. You can search it under Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. I'd love to have y'all follow me. You can hit the like and subscribe button and also hit the bell notification. That way you don't miss out. This review today is over Raquel Welch Scene Stealer. And she is in color Ice Mocha, which is RL812SS. This is a very cool brunette. Like, this is a warm one that I have on. This one is Nice Move. See, let me see if you can see the difference in how cool and how warm this is. See that? Very cool. I'm trying to show the ashy for you. Let's take a look at this cap. She's open wefted. She is a full mono top, which means you can part her any direction and it looks like scalp in that area. She has a lace front, gorgeous lace front. Raquel Welch always does so good with their lace fronts. She has thin ear tabs and they are covered. They have a bendable stay. She does not have an extended nape, but she does have Velcro adjusters. I'm really hoping that you can see what low density she is. I mean, she has some volume up here, but then it gets lighter and she's layered. Look, that's really cute. That'd be cute with all of it cut off. You could cut this to something that you wanted if it wasn't the exact cut for you because of these layers. To change the part, you just need some water and you could blow dry it to the way you want the part to be. She is heat friendly fibers, so you can curl her or straighten her. She's really cute and realistic, very realistic. This to me would be almost an everyday because of the low density. If you want, my head is 21 inches around, and from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches, and my neck is 4. So when I do a turn for y'all, you can kind of see, look at that, isn't that cute? Y'all can see where these might fall on you. And realistic cut. This reminds me a lot of Ellen Villa Mega Mono and John Renault's Courtney. So if y'all have been looking for something like that, but you want heat friendly fibers, this one might be for you. And she has like very little permatease. I mean, really nothing. It's just the wefts. I mean, there's nothing up in there really, other than the way the cap kind of is made. I'm really hoping y'all are able to see the ash in this color. And I'm going to take y'all outside so you can see her in natural lighting. Okay guys, this is obviously in the sunlight. And now let's go find a place where we get some shade. Bent down trying to hide from the sun, but I think this is really showing her color. It's really a pretty color. I wish I liked ashy colors, but I like warmer colors better. But anybody that likes ash, this is a cute, cute piece. All right, guys, I hope that helped. Like and subscribe.